How to add link to Instagram post. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to add a link to your Instagram post but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find it by scrolling left or right or by searching the Instagram. After you find it, you have to tap on the very Instagram application, and this way Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. Now, if you go to the plus like icon on the downside, and you can tap on any of those that you like to keep on the post as. Now you can tap on any of the posts that you'd like to keep and then go to the option of the next. Now after you go to the option of the next, you have to tap on the option of next once again. And after you tap on the option of the next, to be processed, you have to wait for a while until it gets processed. Now if you'd like to add any of the link to the very post out there, you can go to the option of the captions and hashtags and you can just paste the very link out there. Otherwise, and likewise, you can also add the very link there and you can also tag the people. Your audiences can also be set. You can also add a location. So this is the way on how you can add the link very easily on your Instagram post. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.